Merry Christmas, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you had a fantastic week and I hope you are preparing well for Christmas because it's finally here. Welcome to this video, and it's a spend a day with us kind of video, and we are starting by making breakfast in the morning. We're making banana and vanilla pancakes, and which we love because they are filling and because we'll have a long day ahead. We are planning to go to the Animal Orphanage later, so I'm making some to eat at home and some to carry. So I don't know how to measure anything with measuring cups to save my life, guys. I just eyeball every ingredient when I'm cooking, be it salt or sugar, or I just use my hand to feel it and I'll know when to stop. There's a joke that says, like, you just put until you hear the ancestors telling you to stop. So we are having pancakes and just tea, and then we take a shower and head out because we want to leave early. I have some deliveries to make in town, and yeah, that will be our day.
What's that, Mama?
What's that? Wambo, hiyo ni nini? Daddy, what's that? A buffalo. So the babies had so much fun. It was their first time coming here for them, and a first time for us as adults, yeah, because we had come here for school trips, but I can't remember anything, yeah. So it was so much fun. It was 215 for adults and 125 for the kids, and I'd advise you, if you're coming here, please get an Uber, because if you're using a matatu like us, it was so hectic, and next time we'll just use an Uber instead. Another thing is we had carried snacks for picnic, and next time we won't, because the monkeys really disturbed us wanting to snatch the food, and that's something we did not know because we were not prepared for that, yeah. So next time we will just come full, maybe carry maybe a drink or something, and just that, yeah. Let me tell you, they are not afraid of women at all. Like, they'll flex on you, yeah, to scare you to leave your things. We just had to carry like sticks so that we can chase them away, so that the babies can stop screaming, because they were screaming at the top of their lungs at the center of the park. Umeogopa monkey? Eh?
Ninakuja kuuma hizo monkey.
Haiwezi uma. Wambo, did you enjoy? Did you have fun? Huh? Turudi tena? Turudi tena?
Turudi kwa monkey.
Tutarudi kwa monkey hiyo siku nyingine. Sawa? Nesta, did you have fun? Utarudi? Eh?
Sipendi monkey.
This was my favorite. How majestic is this? So beautiful. So after a hustle ya kupanda gari and all, we're back home and I'm just doing them breakfast dishes because I didn't get time to do it in the morning, so that I can start preparing supper. And for dinner today I'm making baked potato wedges and some chicken nuggets that we bought. So if you have watched up to this far, please consider hitting the subscribe button so that you can join my growing family. I'd love to have you here. And also like the video and leave a comment down below so that I may know which content you'd love to see more of. disclaimer, the potato wedges were a bust because this was my first time making them. I did not have any clue. I was just watching a video on YouTube and doing following the instructions. And you know, like the oven gives you an option to select like where you want the heat to come from, probably from up or down or both up and down. And somewhere along the line, Taji selected the heat to come from down, and he changed it from the setting that I had put, the heat to come from up. I hope you get what I mean. So when the time was up and I removed the potatoes, they were overcooked on one side. They had stuck to the foil. Long story short, we had to get something else to eat, but I'll try this recipe again. So this is the end. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.